reflection of truly understanding yourself. The pain of knowing that your only enemy is you. The pain of knowing that your emotions control you. The pain of knowing that your emotional lack of control is the only thing that is stopping you. The pain of being real with yourself. And if you could sit with this pain for long enough, something magical happens. You unlock a superpower. You gain access to something that the majority of people don't have. Emotional discipline. So close yet so far. 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 So close yet so far.
Pockets getting tight, it's the end of the month, and you finally see a setup and you wanna get in front. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want. I gotta be in. The charge calling out your name, and you see the play you need to make, and you think, man, and I'm be sick if I miss it. The feel missing out, they got you acting different. Cause you just wanna go all in, and you know it probably gon' end up in a loss, man. It hard to just be patient, but you know you gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, 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 wait for confirmation. You gotta wait for confirmation.
Yeah, we call it the quick and flip. Might see a move come your way, then dip. Oh, quick and flip. A move come your way, then dip. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick. So we bank on the move. Bank on the move. On the move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick.
Bank on the move. Bank, 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 bank.
Count it up. 1, 2. This a check they said I'd never see. Look at me now. Yeah.
Used to stare at that red screen, hands on my face. Every candle like a punch I could taste. Blown accounts every month on repeat. Screens glowing wind while my friends hit the street. Prop firm rules like a chain on my neck. Hit my target, then they pull one step. Daily loss, tap out, margin on the thread. Talking to the chart like it's all in my head. Greed said double up, fear said bail. Mind doing laps while the plan derail. Stop too tight, then it tags, then it runs. Felt like the market just laughed when I'm done. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. First payout, but it's not my last. Turn that doubt to a victory lap. You said I can, now you watch me stack. Got one check, now I'm coming right back. They said get a real job, dreams too small. While I journaled every entry on my bedroom wall. Screens at dawn, eyes dry, but I stay back testing every scar from the trades I made. Psych on tilt, heart race when I click. Cutting wind short, let the losers get thick. Talking to my shadow in the monitor glare. Stick to wrist, let the trend go where. Prop firm, email almost failed that phase. One pip shot, thought I lost those days, but I tightened my rules like my laces on the track. Came back, hit target, little green on the stack. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. Now I'm up and I'm up again. It's for the nights when the spread felt cruel. Charts in my face like I'm back in school. It's for the cans that you threw in my ear. I took every word, turned it all into gear. It's for the rules that were built like a cage. I learned every line, made them fuel my rage. It's for the voice that said you'll just crash. I muted that sound when I saw that cash. Now it's payout day, screenshot in the mail. Bank app buzzing like I just made bail. I don't flex small wins, I respect that grind. Every digit on the screen took a piece of my mind, but I'm not done, it's the first brick laid. Whole new challenge every time I get paid. I run it back, same plan, more calm. Same firm, new face, same war, new bomb. They gon' say lucky, call it just a streak, but they ain't see the losses, I don't ever tweet. You doubt me once, I'll forget that fast. Doubt me twice, I'll just double this bag. Now I'm up and I'm up again.
Lama, red pajama in the booth, big drama. Turn it down, turn it up, Big Daddy morning saga. Came from pennies in the sofa to the charts, top dollar. Self-talk, killing naughty, study every comma. Used to heat the same stew, 3 nights, 1 pot. Now the plate look like a painting, chef talk, that's art. G-Wagon in the snow, tank tracks on the block. Used to watch from the sidewalk, now I'm on in the lot. Legos on the desk, build plays brick by brick. Click, clack, stack, stats, every candle, every tick. Merging numbers with the nerve, yeah, I been my own script. Fibs on the chart, in a circle in my grip. I don't follow, I invented, I don't care if you agree. Unapologetic when I speak on the feed. You get feelings, I get fees, funding pace for my beliefs. From the basement to the beacon, I'm the voice you gotta meet. Big Daddy! Lama, red pajama. Came from not a mantra. Big Daddy in the morning, whole world on my program. I control my mind and I control the market drama. Say my name, say my name. Lama, red pajama. Taught myself the game, turn the charge to a Bible. Saw fear in the wick, smell greed in the cycle. Mixing golden lines with the zones from the rise. You reprice, I repeat people, that's the difference in survival. I see stops like targets, crowd thought like a map. I don't chase, I said traps, let them sprint into the gap. Got 'em psych, get sharp, every loss just better. Detached from the paper, then the profits come later. Breakfast segment, hot takes on the plate. Serve eggs, serve facts, both cook, both flame. Sip coffee in the studio, G-Wagon at the gate. From late night charge to my name on the gate. I got haters in the chat, but they never change the trend. They react, I anticipate, I was cashing while they pressing. Floor to the Forbes, every step I had to plan. Now my word move crowds like a wave from my hand. Lama, red pajama. Came from not a mantra. Big Daddy in the morning, whole world on my program. I control my mind and I control the market drama. Say my name, say my name. Lama, red pajama. don't flinch at the dip. I've been broken, I've been bruised. I don't fold on a tick, I decide what I lose. I don't marry any view, I just marry execution. My advantage is the calm in the middle of confusion.
Mind control, I choose what I feel. Crowd screams, I stay still. They see candles, I see wheels. One thought, one click, one meal. One cheap meals, cold nights. In the taste of menu life. To the nickel sets for miles. To the chauffeur at my side. Same brain from the bottom, just separated how it fires. Now I host the whole arena while I sharpen my desires.
Lama, Lama, red pajama. Came from not another mantra. Big Daddy in the morning, whole world.
The show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Welcome, everybody, to the Power Hour special featuring myself, Logan, the CSO, and Javi, the Maestro. It's June 4th, 2:45 p.m. We are trading the last hour of the market. Javi, how you doing on this Thursday?
Pretty damn good, brother. Today was just as fun as last night. Last night was crazy, bro. Did you get some of those killer moves last night?
A little bit, yeah. A little bit, yeah. Today was a really good day for me. Did some base hits, did what I normally do, secured a shit ton of payouts, crushed a TPT account, that one that I've been trading that you guys have been seeing me cook and cook and cook. I've been cooking with it still. 10K, 3K, 5K. So after tonight, I'm going to secure $30,000 in 4 days into this month, which is
Let's fucking go,
crazy.
man.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude. It's a great way to start off the month.
Yeah. So I'm very happy with that.
Yeah, looks like it's picking up support around that 65 area. So that's the center of the box, but I still need to see this break out and then break over 80 as well. It's kind of doing it already. It needs to hold above here and break that 80. And then we have room back up to 95, but it needs to break that 95, 50. And then there's a major level at 610 as well that needs to give out.
Right.
So it did not close above that candle just yet. It's like right on. No, it did close above it. Never mind. It did close above it. There's your retest of sauce box, but can it continue to push over that 78 and make its way up to that 90? There it goes. Whoa. That was fast. That hit 86. That's a quick little... There you go. Wow, I couldn't even trail this. There's a quick little 12-pointer for y'all. Can this hit go up into the 90 area? I'm looking for that 96. Or not 96, sorry, 95-ish. But that was already a really nice break over. So I'm happy with that. And I'm just going to trail my last few. What setup was that? That was a combo of sauce box break plus the purple quantum candle break at that 78. Broken retest. Quantum gang knows what I'm looking at. There's the break in the retest. Retest 74. And now I'm holding on to just two runners now. Already got rid of the majority. Just because that 95 area is a resistance area. But that's just one of these quick scalps right now. Can it get to 95 and test at 95? I don't know. There's that golden MVG still sitting up there on SPX as well. So I got two runners. Just want to see if we can hit that 95 or not.
How many accounts is that across?
Who is Quantum, Eric? I am Quantum. Quantum Shift. That's my strategy.
40.
In the indicator.
40 plus accounts.
Go, 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 go. Come on, get up there, baby.
Payouts though. I got a payout from Lucid,
88.
TPT, Tradeify, Alpha, Apex. I'm right there. Wait. FFF, I'm still waiting to be pushed live, so not them yet.
Nope.
Find a
One
nice
runner
find a
got trailed out right there. One runner left. Peaked at 88 so far. Got close. Still, I'll take that. If I'm green tomorrow, I can get my second payout. I'm excited. Trying to keep it together though. Dalton, keep doing what you're doing, brother. Keep it together. Follow the routine. If you don't get it tomorrow, you'll get it the next day or the next day, right? Don't ruin the account in one day. Let's get to that 95. Come on. Come on. It's at 90. It's pushing. There it is. Oh, look at that wick right at 94. There it is, y'all. Wicked right at 94. On M&Q, it did at least.
See how it respects off of this 600 level. It's a strong level
20
here.
points. Yep. 20 points for Quantum Gang if you guys saw that setup. Break and retest. I used Saucebox as my added confluence. This is what it will look like. All right, I'm going to draw that little purple line for you guys looking at my chart right there. That was the 78. What I was looking at was that little purple candle, 78.50. Broke, bounced, boom. That was it. That was the play. Ugh. Nice little 20-pointer. And that was it. That's it. Now she stalled out. Can she break that 95.50 though? That's the next area it needs to break. That 65 to the bottom is a strong area now as well. So got a 5-minute, 2-minute, and a 1-minute all lined up at that 65 area. So if that breaks, then we might see a move down. What is the orb for power hour, big dog? It is the 330 to 345 Orby orb. That is our power hour orb. Then MOC is right after.
Yep.
The end of day, Mike, the 50K, the end of day is just like any other prop. There's no major rules that you have to worry about. It's eval, just like any other prop. You get an eval, you pass the eval, you get a funded account. Every prop has little consistency rules. Lucid has a consistency rule on their flexes. They vary, and you just follow the thing, right? Unless you're freaking making 10,000 in one day, you're not gonna fuck your consistency. But there's no major rules on Apex's end of day. Just stay within the drawdown, make a trade, make money, and get to the drawdown, get to the payout cap that you need, and you get a payout. I've already gotten a few Apex payouts under my belt finally.
Why aren't you marking TP and stop loss? Because we're not in a trade.
Wait, where are we going to mark TP and stop loss? I already got into my trade on that break and retest. The stop loss on that would have been under 65. I kept saying 65 has strength, but a TP was around the 95 area. It still hit 20 points on that. Oh. How do you all trade 20 plus accounts at once? I don't. I trade all my accounts individually.
Wealth charts.
Yeah, Logan uses well charts, and they by far have probably the best copy trading system out there.
Absolutely. Wealth charts is
The fact that
responsible.
it's like,
At this point, Wealth charts is responsible for paying me out over 6 figures.
yeah, like at this point, bro, the fact that it's free and included in that thing, there's nobody that tops that. Like nobody. The fact that you could trade with every single prop they have in there using Omni prop, dude, that's insane.
The thing that's so good is I've tried multiple third-party copiers. Like Wealth charts doesn't slip. Like there's some people here and there who might have some issues with some little things, but dude, it's fucking perfect for me. I literally got a $55,000 payout on Apex on 20 accounts traded all together during New York Open volatility. That's how clean it is. New York Open volatility. That's how clean it is.
Yeah.
Sure, fucking echo
Yeah.
myself.
That was me. I opened up the YouTube and I forgot to mute it.
But Lucid is not on
Past
Wealth
5
Charts. Right?
emails yesterday after ready to go. Not yet, unless like we bombard Lucid and be like, get on Wealth Charts, guys, please. Get on Wealth Charts, please. Past 5 evals, stupid Discord not working. Yeah, the Discord's been acting up since yesterday. So hopefully they fix it over the weekend. If I trade one at a time, how do I manage that? I just hit a target on each one and move on. That's it. Like it's for me. This is a game. Like I have, I have setups throughout the day I can take, and I don't play video games. I play the market. That's my video game. That the ones that offer wealth charts, yes. And remember, guys, all of our indicators, right? Quantum Shift is my indicator, my strat that I use, right? PHP, MVG, all that stuff. Go through the Max Options Trading website, and you can use it on both Wealth Charts and TradingView just by linking it. Look at that rejection off that 95 area. It didn't even hit 95. It hit 92. All the way back down to 65. Looks like we're going to go. So our current range is going to be this 95 to 65 potentially. If it breaks 65, then we could see 55, 49, got 41, and then 32 is a major 5-minute level. So this could be our range right here for power hour. So make sure you guys check out the website over there, right? Get your indicators and everything through there, and get the max bucks that you could use towards whatever. I'm guessing you don't use login credentials from the prop. Yeah, you do. It'll link it. You have to still log in. But when you do OmniProp, right, you link every single one. It's the way that they do it is really cool. It's really nice. It's very, very easy to use. Very user friendly. Yep. So you set up your wealth charts, you get a prop, and then yeah, you just go to your login for wealth charts. Do you use trailing accounts or I use end of day? I love end of day. I hate intraday, right? I do TPTs obviously intraday, so I can do well on intraday, but I prefer end of day. How to learn quantum indicator? My YouTube movie clips. My YouTube is filled with it. I do study sessions every Sunday night. So this Sunday night, after the happy hour show, after Coach does his show, I'll be on with the Quantum Gang. If you trade from the phone, it is good. Yes, dude, I love wealth charts on the phone. I don't even use the DOM on the phone anymore. You can see the candles going crazy at the levels and just setting the trails. And now that they have the auto trail button, oh, that was fun. Yes, last night I had some fun with it. And it was just clutch. Just press, hold, click, hit the auto trail, and just watch it do its thing. I was just like, I was literally, what's that guy? Oh, this is gonna break 65 here. The guy from that dance. What was that dance mean, bro? Like that dance mean the all right, like like I was literally like, oh my god. My wife was like, you okay? I'm like, yeah. Ooh, it's breaking the 65. Ooh, it's getting violent. 49 needs to break next. It needs to break underneath the sauce box, but it needs to break 49, 41, and 32 still. So it's got little pockets where it could get stuck. This could be a failed bullish move on the 5-minute if it stays underneath that 65. No.
Perfect bounce off the 1-minute level that I have here, which is also around the 5-minute.
Still hanging out inside the box too. Do you still do pre-market sessions? Who? I know Logan does, and Coach.
Every day.
I do
trade
pre-market
every morning.
when I can. Yeah, when I
There's the
can, when the
break.
daughter doesn't have school. You got a setup coming? I'm waiting
We need a
for
hold.
the-
We need a hold under 55. Hold under 55, please. Just stay under 55, but don't push too far down. Actually, I don't really give a fuck. Just hold under 55. Don't pull up.
This is a funky spot for me because I have that 49 level it just bounced off of. It's just a funky spot for me. Like I'm not super sold on it just yet. I would really love to see the 5 minute close where your area, your 55 would be nice. That 49 is kind of scary.
How many times per week do you go to the gym? 5 or 6? All right,
The
but
5
Prince
and the
through
3 pull.
45. Let's see.
I want to see it stay underneath 65 if it goes to retest that. If it breaks back in, then we're just going to possibly go back into the range or maybe test the entirety of this candle. Yeah, there's a 65 retest, but it needs to reject it. There's a little bit of a rejection, but it needs to go hard. I don't want a little rejection. I want it to violently pull back.
Yep.
That looks better. Nope. Yeah. Nope. That 49 level and sauce box still
Good
holding
trade.
in. Yep. Still in the range. Nothing to see here. I do have 80. 80 is about like freaking lined up with resistance right now for me. So if it gets up there, 80 would be the next rejection point potentially, but this is still in the range for me. So it's not clear which direction it wants to go just yet. Failed 3 bar here would be nice for a pullback down, but if it 3 bars up, then we might see the 80.
I didn't know what the hell happened. One of my alpha accounts hadn't passed consistency, so it was a 1 day behind. My other qualified, I traded it solo this morning, made 1,000 and closed out, logged in, and it was still going. Guess I didn't close out.
Down.
Those are funded.
Yeah.
Nice. Good job, Flames. I'm getting an alpha payout today too, about 246.8K.
Hell yeah.
Yep.
SPX is getting trapped. SPX very trapped between 75.93.88 and 75.92.05. Appreciate all your help, everyone. Been trading for about a year. My journey has started with Webull, regular stocks, and got smoked. Finally found futures a couple months ago. Paper traded for the last couple months. Finally built the courage to get a couple Apex accounts, and been doing great. Sticking to my strategy. I do not stay disciplined all the time. Definitely working on that and getting better. And finally got one eval pass and want to lock in to get this payout. So appreciate everyone, everything you do on here, Max's crew, and just a community. Great people. Awesome, Mike. Ugh. All right. So
Good
still in the range,
morning.
guys. Yep. This has been the last 3 or 4 days. Is power hour range, bro. The anonymity, show payouts, and then CM pool, show your tiny balls. Yeah, show them tiny balls. We're still in the uptrend. 5-minute is uptrending. I am wondering if this is going to be the higher low now. This did bounce right off that 49, still inside the sauce box. 1 minute's in the downtrend, 2 minutes kind of, but the 5-minute uptrend is what I'm more interested in. SPX already pushing up, but NQ is stalling ass. But there's that pushback up towards 80. 80 is a big wall. So it needs some strong momentum to break over this. Looks like it's about to give it. The 95 still to the top side. SPX leaving a little MVG below. About to have a failed bearish move on SPX. And there she goes. Now can NQ, there's the break of that 80. But can it hold above here? NQ still looking weak versus SPX. Needs to hold 80, push over 95 still. Just ranging. Just ranging. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. All right.
Bayern Munich is my team that I support.
What team?
Guy asked me if I have a Bundesliga team, and I said Bayern Munich.
What's Bundesliga?
Bundesliga. It has to do with German soccer leagues.
Oh,
Bayern
it almost
Munich.
like it. God, man, I hate when I hear shit weird, dude. I heard Bundesliga,
No,
like licking buns, dude. That's what I heard, dude. I hate when I hear shit like that. My wife hates me because I always hear things and I'm like, they're probably not even close. But that's what I hear. So I hear Bundesliga. I'm like, she's licking the buns. It's so horrible, dude. I swear. Yeah, my German name is gonna be Bundesliga. JB Trey saying that's gonna be my German name.
Logan, you take any supplements? No, don't take anything. Take TR. Oh, so I take TRT. Logan got 30K withdrawal in days. Max was telling the morning session. Shout out to Logan. Correct.
Yeah, dude.
$30,000 after tonight. Winner request. 30,000. I'll have a total of 30,000. I'll post it. I'll post it somewhere. Probably I'll post it Friday after I collect because I'll probably pass 30,000.
Yeah, we got the prop killer in the house, taking bans, taking multiple bans. Look at that, rejecting 90 area again. Now we could get stuck between 90 and 80. We got level at 71. We're just hard ranging right now. It's just a hard range between the 5-minute uptrend and this 95-ish area, but it hasn't been able to hit it. So
Minis or micros?
Yep.
I only trade micros.
SPX is trying to get up to that fill, but it's like rejecting hard. Look at that hard rejection.
Are you
all
ready
the way
to
down to
redeem
71.
yourself at the gun range? I don't need to redeem myself. I shoot better than anyone I know besides my mother. I don't need to redeem myself.
I'm actually excited. Like you guys have to record me. I'm gonna be the new fat guy shooting the gun and jiggling. Like I want to be that guy. Like the guy with the blue shirt. I need to become the MOT that guy.
You might have told you good. Dan is
We're-
very new to shooting. Dan's very new to shooting, and he's a very good shot. But actually, you know what? No, fuck Dan, because Dan wants to lie and say Max is a better shooter than me. So Dan, he's a fucking bald bitch, and he can't shoot for shit either. Probably runs in the family. Probably all of them
Yeah.
can't fucking shoot.
I need to do that, Amon. We need to go find a blue shirt.
Maybe a nice bet would make it would be nice. Who's better? A couple thousands. Gladly.
Has anybody on YouTube ever seen these AI retellings of, like, I guess novels or some shit? There was this one of of shooters, and the guy was like the best shot, but he was in hiding for some stupid shit. I can't remember the whole thing. And he did that shot where you do this and then the bullet curves, some bullshit like that. Like there's a movie that did that too.
It's not. That doesn't happen. You can't be comfortable.
I'm like, can you do it? Nah, you're gonna end up fucking something up, dude.
You
I
can't
always
bend
laugh
them.
at those. I know you can't bet them. Well, it's always funny as shit to see them. Look at this range, dude. This range is insane right now. 90 all the way back down. All the way back down.
Just get me tight. Fucking
Yeah.
do something.
Break out of the range somehow.
Which
Kinda
YouTube would be a
feel-
good handle on PHP? Logan CSO Trades.
Yep. Doo-doo-doo. Can it break out the sauce box or not? Then break that 49 and 41. If we can break all of that, 5 minute is already challenging that uptrend again for like the 50th time. It did break out a sauce box this time, but that 49 level's still there. 5 minute also still needs to close underneath that 55. Maybe to give it the power. SPX is also trapped, but NQ still looking very weak against SPX. So can it make a new lower low here and continue the trend? Maybe we'll see the 41 push back up again.
Yeah, this is gonna
32.
fall. Yep.
Yeah. Okay, it has to break this 49. It closed above, but there it goes. There's the
Don't
lower low, but how much more can it go? How low can you go? How low can you go? Whoops. That 49 needs to break on the 1, or this could push right back up and make another higher low somewhere. I mean, lower high, lower high. That's what I meant. Sorry, guys, I'm an idiot. Or this thing is going to go to 41. It needs to go now. Just little tiny pockets where it could bounce.
241 and we can
Right. Yeah. That 5 minute is looking like it wants to close underneath. The next major level for me is 32 after 41. So it's cleaning these levels out, which is good.
No
So
trade.
there's that bounce back up. Yep, there's that bounce back up. I'm gonna see if this is gonna make a lower high somewhere. Either 63 or 70. But if it breaks over that, we're still in the range on the 5-minute. The 1-minute and 2-minute are definitely in a downtrend. 5-minute, not yet. All right. Only 3. Yeah, I know, right? I know, right, Paulin? Freaking YouTube always slacking. Only 33 likes. How dare you? It's like, Logan, you can do it. Then have Javi stand in front of you to prove it. That would have to be the most insane curve to get around my back. I might as well kiss my left hand on goodbye at that point.
Right.
uh, all right, here we go. Here's 41. That's the next area that needs to break. It did retest Sol's box and reject that 56. I was kind of looking for a little deeper retest, but whatever. I didn't get to do make any entries. Do there I go again, dude. All right.
36. Pop through 36.
If this
Got a
breaks this
lot of room.
32, yeah. Like for me below 32, I have 40, 50 points of room down. Below 32 on the 5.
I've got 60 points of room.
There we go. Okay, can I snap through 41? There's a lot of hesitation at each of these levels, though. So you have to be a little patient. And then 32, and then the bottom of the secondary trend is at 22. But if it breaks that 32 level, that's going to be a strong level break. Then I would have room all the way to 490. So that's a 5-minute level, so got to be careful with that. What is the difference between solid and dashed lines in quantum? The dashed lines are the 1-minute levels. The solid lines are the 5-minute on my 1-minute chart. And then the little dotted ones on the 1 are the 2-minute levels. On the 2-minute chart, you'll see the 2 minutes are the dash, the solids are the 5. And you guys can set it up however you like, right? This is just me. My dyslexic, retarded ass, right? I like to see all sorts of different shit, all the colors, everything. You guys can set it up however you want.
It's right
So
off my
I
end.
I have the levels to the way I'm used to seeing them, because I've always seen the solids as the 5 and the dash as
How
the
long
1.
have you been trading for? A year and a half. About to get in. Yeah, let's try it. Let's have some fun.
I want to see that 32 break first.
Good luck, everybody else.
Yeah, go rock, everybody. I want to see this 32 break on the 5 before I enter anything. And if I miss it, I miss it. And then we cheer for the other plays, for Logie Poo. This 5-minute has about a minute and a half left. It's kind of going for it. There it goes. Can it break it? Right at 32.
Okay. Hesitating a lot.
That's a major level for me. So if you can snap through that, though, you'll be good. But that's definitely a point for me to watch. NQ still is showing a lot of weakness versus SPX. So those little pull-ups.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. About to get stopped out here.
Yeah,
Stop
that was
losses
a
at
that was
46. Stop losses
yeah,
at
that was a
46.
good bounce off the 32.
That is fucking gay. All right. I'm
Yeah.
out.
Yeah, that level held.
Swear to God, I'll full tilt. I'll fucking full port my accounts. I don't give a fuck. Look at that. I just get fucking
Oh, you
shot
got
six.
wicked.
You fucking
That's it,
bitch.
dude.
I don't care. I'm going
Let's
back
see.
in. Fuck it. I don't care.
No, be careful here, bro. Be careful here. It closed the
give a
bomb, dude. Dude, be careful. I'm telling you, be careful. This shit looks like it wants to go retest something. What? I don't know.
Jesse's fucking nuts.
Oh, that was it closed right above it. That 5-minute closed right above it. Yeah. Yeah, it's going to go search for something. That closed right above it and then pushed up. He just got in here. All I hear is full port these nuts. Yep. You did hear that. I want to see if it rejects 55. I mean, it looks like it's trying to already reject before it gets there. SPX is looking now weak. NQ is looking a little bit strong. Little bit. One more. We're going to qualify for first payout ever. Let's go, Kelvin. All right. I mean, these rejections around 50 look decent. There seems to be good push coming for SPX, but NQ is not budging. NQ is not budging. SPX needs to break 75, 90, 88. 92, I'm sorry. 75, 90, 92.
Are we entering the bottom instead of close under 49.31? I have no idea what you're talking about.
Uh-huh.
I don't know what this guy's talking about.
Trading. I didn't enter anything. I waited for 32 to break on the 5. But, right, we all follow our systems. We do what we do. That's it. I waited. Right. Part of trading is losing. Why are we entering at the bottom instead of closing under 49 to 31? That doesn't make any sense. Closing under 49. I had a closure of below 55 for that push to 32, which did occur. But then 32 needed to break for me. And there's that 55 push. It broke right through it. SPX, insanely big ass candle on SPX. Beautiful bounce off of 32. And that 32 was a major level for me. I did not take it. But let's see if this thing can push. SPX is going for the gap. It's going for the gap. See if this A++ setup plays out. This is a very risky area. So I'm not liking anything really, but I just want to see if this plays out. But SPX, an insanely bullish push. What's the difference between Mastermind and Futures One? Futures 1 is a blend of Llama and Max. Mastermind is Max, and Pay to Play is Llama. There's a bear chilling in your backyard. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's a cub. I would totally go out and try to pet it. I'm a psycho like that. And then the mama bear will come out and just be like, nom, 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 nom. And I'll be dying. I'll be getting eaten. I'll be like, you're so soft. Ugh. I'll be trying to gauge its eyes out. How do you say that? Gouge? Gouge, right? Gouge its eye out of that. Oh my god, dude. What the fuck? I'm gonna gouge its eyes out. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, that A setup is playing out right now. It hit that 570, but rejected right there. I should have taken the play off of 32, but I didn't. There goes the A setup. Quantum Gang, any of you degens took it? I took it with a couple micros just because it was a dangerous area. Not a play I would normally call out because it's a dangerous area, but it's playing out pretty well right now.
This person did a $5 dono, but the message was retracted. Thank you.
What? Yeah,
I
thank
guess.
you. Thank you for the free $5. $5 love you long time. Whoopsie. Mm. All right, Quantum Gang. Anybody took that DGN A++ setup? Not the cleanest. It did have a 1 and a 2 minute trigger. It's up 18 points right now. Peaked at 20, I think, just about. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. Awesome made trades. It was a risky one, though. I'll say that. It was a risky because of that 70 level. It was a very risky one. But it is pushing, so it's playing out really, really well. And this is the resistance point, so my runner gets taken out. It's going to get taken out, but needs to break through that 80 next. Again, that 80 and then 95 still. So right now we're showing a lot of resistance near this 80. The candle's definitely looking like that rejection there is pretty strong. But can it muster the strength to break through? Was it A++ on the 2? Yes, it was an A++ on the 2. It was both A. Well, you know what? On the 1, it wasn't a true A++ because it did cross below. So I have to take away a plus. Does not make it invalid, just extra risque. Extra risque. So still up 20 points just about. Can we break this 80 and make our way back up to the 90s? I don't know. There's a hard rejection right there. And I got trailed out. Almost trailed out. Oh, it almost took my trail. I'm trailing it close just because of that 80 area. It's very close. Very, very close.
I wasn't even paying attention. Was there a PHP trade that I just completely missed? Did I just blank out?
Guess YouTube gang can't really see it, but there's wealth charts.
Giant PHP trade. Wow, that's fucking crazy.
So I'm just trailing it right now, candle by candle. There's the 80 break. You know what? Fuck it. I'm going to set it to auto trail. I'm just going to let it auto trail me out wherever it wants to take me out. This is breaking 80. 95 is still that major area that it kept rejecting at before. 90 to 95. So if it takes me out at 77 is where I have it trailing. It takes me out. Very nice 23-point play on Quantum. PHP called along too, so hell yeah. So everything triggered. There goes. 30 points right now, Quantum Gang.
PHP
30
would be
points.
up. PHP should be up at least 20 points.
Yeah, look at that. 30-ish points. Yeah. Oh, that auto trail is so fucking beautiful. All right, there's 90. There's 90. Up 30 points right now. Can this snap through 90 then 95 and we're gonna get a little rocket ship coming? Let's get a little rocket ship coming. There's 95. Oh, there's 95. Up 30, almost 40 points, Quantum Gang. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. There's SPX got really close to that MVG, so be careful here. 95 is still that area where we rejected before, so it's gonna trail me out. It trailed me out right there. I'm happy with that. Took me out right there on that little pullback at 90. I had it set to auto trail. Took me out, took me out. If it keeps going, it keeps going. I have room all the way up to 625 if it keeps going. 610 is a 15-minute level. But I don't really like pay attention to those 15-minute levels a whole lot, so. But it is a level there. Golden MVG right below SPX just formed too. So let's see if that gives it the push it needs to fill that MVG up here at 75.99 and then break through it and continue to go. Here's NQ. There's NQ pushing.
I'm scaling
Here's
into
the
this.
95.
Scaling into this.
This is looking good, brother. It's looking good. Can it keep going? Hey, boo boo. I don't know why I'm doing Yogi Bear right now, but I just caught myself. I was like, hey, boo boo.
I'm very heavy.
Long. What platform are you trading for the auto trail? That was Wealth Charts. Wealth Charts. It's so freaking awesome, guys. Like the auto trail, the fact that you could set the auto trail on there too, like on the chart on the PC, is freaking awesome. What a setup there, guys. The 2-minute A++, the 1-minute bounce off of that 32. Super clean setup.
Hold this long.
Does SPX and NQ react the same way? They look kind of similar. At times, Nola Boy. You have to be cautious, right? We're going to be stuck between these two golden MVGs, looks like. You have to be cautious. They do diverge a lot. When they diverge, I don't pay attention to SPX, but when they give a little bit of correlation, you have to be able to read it off. There's a lot of sauce involved in that. So that's the most I can give. You hit that non-core. Let's go. Up 505 accounts. Awesome. Looks like some of you guys caught that too. For anybody, like, you automated something, be careful with automations. Most prop firms, if you own it, you're good with it. But if it's somebody else's, be very careful. They will ban you. Got in 543 on the long. Very nice, guys. Looks like some of you guys caught that. Very nice. What are you guys looking for buy position? Well, I have Quantum. Logan has PHP. So we see our triggers. And if we see it has potential, we get in. Do you know of any traders who make consistent 1 to 10 RR? Consistent? I mean, if you're risking 1 point and getting 10 points, that's 1 to 10 RR. I kind of find those setups sometimes where I'm risking 2 points and I get 20. That's 1 to 10. But consistently, that's going to be a hard. Like if you're risking 10 and you're looking for 100. Yeah, Lama kind of does do it consistently. You're right, Lama does do it. His P2P stuff. Go check it out. Logan uses PHP, cornbread, Pivot Hunter Pro. What are we trading? NQ. We trade NQ.
The gap it needs
Very
to fill
nice,
up.
Tushar. Rejecting right near that 610. It hit 604. That 95 level is still there on the 2-minute. That is a 2-minute level, still there. So you'll see it on the 1-minute chart. You'll see the little dotted lines on the 2-minute. It is still there. That is a 2-minute level that needs a 2-minute candle to break. Nice rejection. SPX, that bottom golden MVG got filled. So if it stays below it, there's going to be a little bit of a pullback. Up to where? Who knows? Right now, man, it could go. It could go pretty deep. This 580 would be ideal, but it could go down to the 60s too. But the 580 would be the best. See if we get a failed bearish move on SPX or if this thing is going to pull down. Yeah, PHP got some new features. Yeah, and wealth charts was, yeah, go. You guys want to go see that wealth charts video from earlier? Go watch that morning show. Go watch the Big Daddy Max morning show on YouTube from today, and go check out those updates that they did for PHP on wealth charts and the trailing updates and the trailing updates, and I forgot what else they had. Oh yeah, where you could you could do the bracket orders really easily manually now as well. Like, they're doing some amazing work at wealth charts. I'll tell you guys that. Like, I'm enjoying the hell out of it too, Sea Birch. NQ still looking strong versus SPX, so I think it knows it wants to fill that gap up above. I don't know, but that 95 needs to break on the 2-minute, and then it could make its way back. It could make its way up. Maybe 2620s. Today's been a long day, man. I wish coffee did to me what it does to you guys. Is wealth charts like Tradeovate? If I use Tradeovate, I can convert wealth charts. Not really. Wealth charts is a little more similar to TradingView than Tradeovate, but they're way better. Way better. And converting, I don't know what you mean by converting. Like, you can't really convert, like going from Jewish to Catholic or something. But you know, you can if you have the indicators and if you have them on WAP, cancel your WAP subscriptions. Get it through the maxoptions.com maxoptionstrading.com website. Link your TradingView and wealth charts on there, and you'll get the indicators on both TradingView and wealth charts. No, I'm good, Amon. You can get some if you want. Yeah, that 95 is just holding for now. That 95 does not want to break yet. Buying the indicators from MOT website is better than on WAP. Yes. Yes, it is, Tushar. And any of you guys who have any of our indicators, make sure you guys have access to those chats. Whichever chat, MVG Trader, Advanced Orb Trader, PHP Trader, Quantum Trader, P2P, make sure you guys have access to those chats. If you don't, go open up a support ticket and get some help. I do the quantum sessions. I announce those every Sunday night right before we go live. I do announce it in that chat, and then you just click and join. A lot of great information in the pinned messages on all the chats as well. She's just rejecting 95, I guess. Another golden MVG on SPX on the way down. So yeah, I just looked at SPX NQ and just saw that push down. Oh, let's see the strength of it. And this could push down to the 60s if it can stay under 80. But it needs to stay under 80. And Q still showing strength. So, who knows? We're uptrending on the 5 still. What time is it? MOC is in 11 minutes already. You full ported short trader lady. You're up 300. Be careful. Be careful. We're still uptrending on the 5. We
I'm
are still
still
uptrending on the 5. Yeah. That golden MVG is about to be filled by a blue, so that's oh, it's rejecting, but if it breaks back over, that's a failed bearish move on the MVG for me. But it did reject right now. Failed it and rejected. Are we gonna get a combo rejection with a failed bullish move? I would like for us to hang out here around 94 until we get to MOC. Because if it doesn't, if this pulls down, like if this stays under 80 and gets to that 60, the next level for MOC would be all the way down at 37. And there it goes. There it goes. Yeah, that push under 80. There's the 60s. Oh, very nice. Oh, very nice move there. All right. And we got trailed out there. That's fine. I'm happy with that. All the way down to the sauce box. Closed right on it. Can it keep going?
I'm red as fuck on everything right now. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I have been tilted. I've been tilted since logging into Power Hour, and I've just been fucking up all my shit. Just all of my shit has been absolutely getting fucking cooked. I'm just going to be honest with you guys. Full transparency, just fucking cooking everything right now. Full fucking tilt. Be honest with you guys. You guys want to see it live? Here you
That's
go.
good transparency, brother.
Fucking
That's
cooking
good
everything.
transparency, brother.
I just threw away so far 7K in payouts today. I've been fucking rinsed.
But you're still getting the other 30, right?
To be honest with you
getting
guys,
the other 30?
it happens. It fucking happens in this fucking.
Yeah. You're still getting the other 30 though, right? The other, or is that cutting from
I've
that?
already locked in. I still have a guaranteed 8K in payout tonight. I have 8K in payout tonight plus the fucking 12. It'll be 20K this week instead of 30K. I have tomorrow. The counts aren't popped.
I'll still take that.
The counts aren't popped. They have DLLs and shit, and risk management.
Yeah.
I'm just fucking tilted.
Shoot. I'd still take that. My runner is barely staying alive right now. It's just been in this huge range, man. This range, like that 32 bounce all the way up to 95. Couldn't break 95. Now we're back down again in the same freaking range it was right when we started, dude. Like, look at this. Like, look at this range we started at, right where we started, right here, between 80 and 60. And we're just hanging out in that area. Well, there goes that short. 30 points. And whoever full ported that short, she is green as fuck. That 95 was a good hold. And the break under 80 back into the 60s. Now we're back to that set 37. I would love for it to get down to 37 for MOC. I would love for it to get down there. And then that would be the level I would read for MOC. That would be the level to play if we get down there.
I'm on 6 W's this week. Congratulations. I still withdrew $20,000 in payouts in 4 days. Sorry, I didn't hit my 30, but I'm on tilt. I'm on tilt today. Right. So, actually, I shouldn't even say today. Just this fucking afternoon.
Just right now, just Power Hour. It's normal. I used to go mad tilt on Power Hour when I would trade Power Hour while waiting to pick up my son at school. I would be going mad tilt in my car, just like.
I'm currently still fading. I'm currently fading PHP. I'm still in this long, and just fucking seeing how much drawdown I can put this pro through.
Oh man.
I'm committed now. I just admitted now. Like it is what it is. I'm just gonna be transparent with you guys. See, it is what it is. You guys have probably never seen me go on tilt in real life. Well, here you go. Fucking shit happens.
Hold on. I gotta go make
DCA,
a
I've already maxed DCA. I'm in with 6
go
minis
make
right
a
now,
note.
so I can't really go anymore.
General. I can't pin the mods, but here I'll go. Here's that 37. If I know someone that's using their dad's info to trade on TPT, will they get banned? I mean, if they get caught, I'm pretty sure they will, but I don't know. Is Max way similar to the Maestro way?
Gone.
I mean, I learned from Max. I mean, I learned from him, so I do have Max Confluences I use. But you guys see, I use MVG. All right, we got really close to that golden MVG up there and a hard rejection point. Just a very hard rejection point.
That's it for me. I'm done trading today. It's 2 funded accounts gone and 5 accounts daily loss on it.
All right, I'm eyeballing right now this same 32 that we bounced off before, and I'm going to be looking at 37 for MOC. I'm going to be looking at 37. That level that we just broke on the 1 minute was 37.50. So 37.50 is what I'm looking at for MOC currently. Love it when we get right to one. And then obviously we have that 32 level on the 5 that bounced off early. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. MOC is market on close, G trades. Market on close. So MOC has a couple minutes left. It's already going for that 32 tap, but again, that's a 5-minute level that needs a 5-minute candle to break. But that 37 for MOC, it's already going, it's already breaking it. But damn it, if it goes, 488 would be the next level down. Love to have it just hang out around 37. That's what I would love for it to do. Will it do that? I don't know. All right.
Guys, if you're
About 2
like me
minutes.
and you fucking blow your funded accounts, use code BDM. You can with the fucking best discount currently going.
Yeah.
BDM, you can get the best fucking discounts that you need. You know what's nice though is one, I'm happy I got to do that in front of you all of you because you get to see what it looks like. Fucking Logan just got really fucking quiet and you just heard him clicking buttons 100 times. What probably happened? Well, he decided. You want to know how it started? You want to know how it started? And I'm not making excuses. This is just transparency. I popped my shit. Like I am 100% responsible for this. I ordered my meal prep food. My meal prep food came in. It came in a fucking janky box. And now
Guys,
I'll say the
there's
company because I'm pissed off at them. MegaFit Pro.
mods. Look at 343 Trader Lady. Somebody. Yeah, we don't want that stuff. Sorry, got to call it out. Already selling. Yeah, already selling their own shit in here. Mods, let's pay attention on.
343.
Yeah,
Where?
Trader Lady. Already trying to flex her own shit. We don't do that
Oh,
around here.
already. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, MegaFit Pro fucked up my meal.
Mom.
All my meals came ripped and broken apart in the box, and I didn't have my breakfast stuff wasn't in there, so that was the start of my day. I didn't have any of my fucking food that I was supposed to have. No food.
Oh shit, that was MOC? Ah, I didn't do shit. MOC didn't do shit. I mean, it's above 37. Right now it's barely pushing.
Good
That
thing
was
is,
MOC?
I don't think so. Where's proof? Real proof? I post every withdrawal, posted it on the
Wait,
accounts.
what's wrong with my shit?
What do you mean? Carrie, go on my Instagram or go on my X. My X, I show every fucking payout. Whatever, dude. You're a fucking virgin.
Yeah,
Yeah.
dude, like let those haters, if people think that trading you're gonna be perfect every single time.
Fuck it. I just
Okay,
fucking went
man.
on tilt, pop my shit. This dude says I'm not being honest about my payouts. You're right, dude. I'm a
Yeah.
fucking guru. I don't even know. I whatever, dude. I've gotten more
Well,
probably payouts. I've probably gotten more. Nope. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it because
No.
I'm tilted and I'm fucking nope. It's all right. Yeah. So I fucking ended up. The fucked up thing was I had an account. I needed to make. I do this shit again. An account that was $400 away from max payout. Nope. And then fucking
All
switch
right.
to the other ones. Nope.
That 37 closed above, gave you a 10-point push. Of course, you know when it broke it, I got in the short up pretty good right now.
No, technically it wasn't 30K, guys. It's 20K now. Here, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's go to my TPTs. Let's log into my TPTs real quick.
Already getting trailed out. Already getting trailed out. That was all that she wrote. Is she going to retest again? Let's see if she retests and rejects again. I got trailed out of almost everything, and there's the last one. Last one just got trailed out. Will it retest and reject again?
I think PT alone, Carrie, I bet you have gotten more payouts from TPT this year than you probably have in your entire life. Let's look at this year alone. This is so far. And this is just TPT. Let's see.
This is the first time ever she had me thinking I was in trouble. Nah, Sam, you're good, bro. You're good. Like, you know, we all call our shit. We all do things live. You can see our stuff on our charts live, you know.
6, 12,
like, people
20,
start calling out stuff and starting to
40,
sell their own stuff on our chat and Discord. Nah, we don't do that.
52.
That 95 held beautifully.
70K plus on just TPT. There you
We don't
go.
do the
Post
sexy bro
that
shit
in
here.
there for you guys. That's just TPT, which TPT I took a break from for a little bit. What else do we want to go to? Let's go to Lucid. I can pull up Lucid, Photoshop. Yeah, okay. Well, here, you want to do this? Let's do this instead. How about we do this? Because they say it's Photoshop. All right, here, I got you. Let's do this. TakeProfitTrader.com.
Did I have a bad voice?
Wallet.
I didn't even realize it.
How about this? Oh, I can't share charts. I can't share charts, but I can do that. And then let's see. Let's look at the recent ones for Lucid. All right, let's look at the month of May. Let's look at the month of June and May. You guys can try and calculate that. I don't know how much that is for the month of May and June. But I'll let you guys figure that out. What is that? That's 10K.
Well, wait, is this D-board guy flexing because he got 3 payouts in a week? Dude, I had a stint of 12 straight days of payouts. You don't see me flexing about that stupid shit.
No, he says Logan got me 3 payouts.
Oh, he got you. Oh, okay, my bad. Sorry, I'm
Yeah.
kind of tilting with you right now just because I'm.
Right.
You know, if they attack you, I'm gonna be like, "Arr, arr." I'm gonna be that little chihuahua behind you, right? Oh, you want some too? Let's go.
So that's just May and June. That doesn't include the other months.
All right,
on
D-boy.
this. So that's probably
I love you, Hunter.
another 70, 80K. So we're looking at 150 just between those two props. Let's not forget about Apex. That's another 55,000. So we're looking at 200,000 there. What else do we have? Let's look at Funded Futures Family, our sponsor for the day. Let's see how many payouts. And I'm currently waiting for them to push me live. But why would they push me live if I don't get payouts regularly? That doesn't make sense. Oh, or maybe you're just a dumbass, Gary.
Oh my god, that
Let's
short is shorting still. Holy shit!
Payouts recently. Oh,
37
I gotta go
break.
down 20. I gotta go down to 20 pages. It's gonna take me a bit on this one, Gary. I got 20 pages. I gotta go down to get my payouts on this. All right. Well, let's look at the most recent ones then. We'll do that.
Oh, you guys can see my chart. I'm taking screenshots like you guys can't see my chart. Like Quantum signaled off all the way up here at 585 too.
Here's the most recent ones. I don't know how
You
much
guys see
that
it?
is. What is that? That's 7K, 8K, 9K, 10K, 11K, 12K. And that's just the most recent 6. Okay. What else do we want to do? I mean, there's probably a lot more. And if I do further back, what else? What other partners do we have? Alpha. You can go into Alpha. Well, Alpha, I'm actually going to request at least 8K from today. I also have some more
Look at
payouts.
Darth Athena.
What are some
Even
recent
Darth
ones?
Athena probably has more payouts than you do.
Oh, here's
whoever you're talking
60,000.
to.
Oh, actually, here's another 60,000. Throw
Boss,
that in
yes, if she's
there.
live.
All right.
Hopefully
What
you get to
else?
see it.
What else? Who are our other partners? So we did Tradeify. Oh, Tradeify. I actually haven't posted this one yet. So if you go on my X there, and
Really,
you
Max?
I just want to get the
Max?
pretty little. I'm just waiting for the
Max
pretty
is baiting my wife to hit me. She'll do it happily, bro. Don't do it. She'll do it so happily.
Here's another 3,700. I wanted the fancy little certificate, so I haven't posted this on my social media yet, but that's another 3,700. That's part of this week. 3,700 plus the 12K on Apex, it's 17K plus the 8K. Oh, actually, I hit 24K this week instead of 30K, but I still have tomorrow to hit 30K.
That's almost
So-
100-point quantum signal right there, guys.
What else do we have?
This entry was at 84. 584, we're at 486. If any of the quantum gang caught that, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, if you got that. Max, stop telling my wife to hit me. Oh God, I hear her coming.
Here's some recent
The door is
payouts.
locked.
Next, there's another 6K from Funded Next. What else? I think I missed a prop. Oh, My Funded Futures. I got pushed live with them. My Funded Futures. Let's pull up their stuff.
He's baiting her so bad.
All right, I think I proved my point. I'm done. I'm done. I don't really care anymore. So,
Oh God.
yeah, Karen, if you want, you can just come to the Discord. You can see my tens and tens and hundreds of thousands of dollars in payouts.
Good. Whew, I'm safer now. Max, fuck you, dude. Fuck you, dude. He's just trying to hammer me. Oh, okay, so I'm being attacked. What is that? It's a hardcore book. You guys saw it. He's saying use the shoe. We don't have shoes up here, thank God. What big ball? No. Yeah, that might break something. Let me see. Oh dang, this thing
Way
hurts. She
too
wants to
much
throw-
bullshitting, not enough actually trading. This is not the
This
max.
might be what
Daddy
it looks
play.
like.
Oh, Benoy. Benoy, I think you're an idiot because I clearly
That wasn't there.
I don't think anybody knows the Max way more than Javi and I. Literally, there's not anybody on this planet who knows the Max way more than Javi and I or Max himself. For you to say that too much bullshitting is going on and not enough the Max way, you're a fucking idiot.
Like, do you guys not hear me saying MVG like 50 times? And how many times Max says MVG during
Wait,
his
I was the fucking valedictorian of his first futures class, and you're gonna tell me I don't know about the fucking Max way? I'm his fucking
She is
CSO.
melting.
I'm the
It's
CSO
so
of Max Options
melting.
Trading, and this isn't the Max way. What the fuck is this guy talking about?
Yep. It's just a rage baiter taking advantage of the fact
I'm tilted.
that you're tilted. Yep. That's what it is.
I don't think so. Where proof? Real proof. That's crazy.
See? Real proof means what? You can show whatever proof we want. We've seen it. Everyone's seen it. He shows the deposits, the requests. What? Did you go get a shoe? Why did you go get a shoe? Max, fuck you. Fuck you. You got my wife beating me on live. On live. I got evidence. You know what? I think I'm like Chris Pratt right now. I'm kind of getting turned on. I'm kind of getting turned on right now. We're about to convert into OnlyFans, guys. We're gonna be only Max fans. It's about to get really spicy. Oh man.
Tip
Damn,
for
that was a
staff.
hell of a short. 37 didn't hold. Gave you a little pop. Closed below. Nice tank. Quantum signaled it off at 584. 584 was the initial entry for Quantum Gang, all the way down to 480. 104 points. Who on the Quantum Gang caught that? Doom. All right, yeah, let's get to the givvies. Let's do the givvies. It's 402. Still in the running, D? Way to go, man. If this breaks that 65, she's got room to go. Breaks that 465. She's challenging this 477 level right now. Underneath 65, 46. And then all the way down potentially to 412. Our 4 o'clock setup is currently playing out too.
Yeah, there's another PHP
Anybody
short.
in the student
There was
channel.
actually a really good PHP long, 2 really good PHP shorts. There's one playing out right now.
Max! Fuck you, man! Stop with the domestic violence calls. It's doing the opposite of what you think it's going to be doing. I was scared at first, but now I'm kind of like, we might need to go buy some balls and chains. Might have to convert this thing. What was that? What was that guy from? What was that guy from The Boys? That religious guy. He had that. He had something like that, right? Ended up killing him. Oh father, yeah. Oh father. There's 465. Juan, delete that picture or you will be banned for life. And I don't ban people. I will ban you for life. Making me eat that avocado so sexually. How dare you? I know you've been feeding me a lot of avocado ever since I've been saying avocado tastes like dick. So is there a reason for that? Are you doing that on purpose? Huh? Like, I've had avocado for like the last 4 days straight. Like, Oh shit! She's trying to choke me now. Oh damn! You're really going with it, huh? Where did you find that? What is that? What is that? I've never seen that before. She found a suspicious looking rope.
Somebody say you like the taste of dick. That's why you eat avocado.
Well, I've never tasted dick before. I don't know how legitimate that is. You have. Can you confirm for me? You never told me. Oh God, no! You guys are about to
Let's give away
witness.
some shit. Let's give away some shit. YouTube, word of the day is tilt. YouTube, word of the day is tilt. Go.
And then domestic violence is next. Or you could say "fuck you, Maxton," whichever one of the two. What the hell is this? But what is this? Like literally, what is this? Does anybody know what the fuck this is?
You into that weird shit, probably.
Like, I've never bought anything like this. Smooth is saying it's a sex rope. I don't know. Is it? Oh God, yeah, yeah. And from now on, everyone can call avocado toast a dick sandwich. That shit sounds hilarious. Dick sandwich. I was like, oh, so you see a guy ordering an avocado toast. Like, I see you're gay. You're like, why? Eating that dick sandwich. Oh my God, it's so fucked up. Oh man. All right. Random number generator. A bicho sandwich. Holy crap. Oh, there's that 65 break already. Oh, what did it hit? It's so far. Dang, this thing is. What a dumpathon. MOC dumpathon. Beautiful short. There was a bunch of confluences for this short. A bunch of them. Started up here at 584. Continued on that 37 rejection all the way down. Holy crapola. All right. Oh, how many winners do we have so far, bro? On YouTube,
Winner
we got one.
is Revis MCAT. Revis McSat on the YouTube. Congratulations.
All right. First winner.
Next word.
I'll do some fire off right here on there you are, Kyle 0465 on the Discord. Come up and say hi real quick.
Got my first 2K payout ever
Got
using
my first
PHP.
2K payout ever
Thank
using
you, Logan.
PHP.
Face
Thank you,
holding back
Logan.
tears emoji.
Oh.
Next investment is your course.
I
The others do it?
faded PHP 3 times today. And every single PHP trade played out perfectly. Well, how do I do this? Why?
I remember when I did that with Quantum and I got cooked hella hard too,
I
man.
went like, I don't know. What's wrong with PHP, perfect long, perfect short again. This is just one of those days. One of those days.
Yep.
You know what's funny? I swear I'm not fucking with you, dude. Every night before I go to sleep, I just fucking have this intuition when the next day is going to be a bad day of trading. And this morning, I fucking killed it. Did really well. Fucking nope. Fucking. I'm not kidding you. I have like this fucking. Every time I'm like, I think tomorrow I'm going to trade like shit. It happens every once in a while.
I'm telling you, Power Hour is like that, bro. Like Power Hour is like that's why this like people don't understand like how patient you really have to be during Power Hour. Like I do my thing, you do yours, right? But you show the real patience you require for Power Hour, not like the fun that I have. Yeah,
zero patience today.
Yeah, today was exactly. So you got to kind of see what it looks like on both sides, but it's like Power Hour is fucking crazy up until the very end. And so far, this last week, Power Hour has literally been back to what it normally is: 30 minutes of range, then a move. What's up, brother?
What's going on?
Good, man. How you doing?
Good.
Did you survive? Did you make it today?
I'm at work.
Okay, nice. So you survived the day, man. Hey, good, man. Hey, open up ticket, get a free week of any indicator, brother. Your choice, all right?
All right. Thank you.
All right, brother. You got it, man.
Peace.
Have a good one. Peace out, bro. All right. Awesome. All right, there's one for the cord.
Let's do one more for the YouTube. What do you want to do for the word?
Violence.
Violence. That's what I need. I need to go pick up my fucking rifle and let me pull that back. let me. That's not what I meant. That sounded wrong. That's not what I meant.
Yeah. Oi, you.
Um,
Oi there.
What did I mean by that? I need to go for a walk and touch grass. That's what I need to do. I need to go for a walk, touch grass.
You just need to get some steam. You need to blow off some steam.
Yeah.
All right. You just got to go out there, just blow off some steam. We all do that. Dude, actually, that looks badass. That's me as a Blackbeard. That looks bad fucking ass, dude. I'm going to do Blackbeard.
All right.
I'm downloading that right now. Hell yeah.
Good news is, I'm going to be optimistic here, right? 1, I trust my process. Shit happens. 2, I only lost 2 accounts today out of fucking like 40 of them, right? It's a good thing about having a lot of accounts. It's a good thing about compounding, right? I can survive with 2 accounts gone. Not a problem.
That's right.
Easy recovery. I'll be back at it. I still secured 8K today, so in payouts.
Fuck yeah. Still money coming in. That's all that matters in the end.
Don't you have ready backups? Not. Yes, I do. Kind of. Not with yes and no. Not like funded account backups. But it's all right. But here's think about the RR, right? And Athena actually pointed this out. That TPT account that I just popped, I had already secured $9,000 out of it. That 50K account cost me $130, and I pulled out $9,000 from it. It's pretty good RR. Lieutenant Pictures, congratulations, you are the winner on the YouTube. Right?
You know what? You're right. That is low key. I was looking at it, and I probably will make that my profile picture. That shit looks badass. Now, if they can make the pirate hat instead of the thing, you can make it the M. That would be badass. But I see the M on the Jolly Rancher, so it is badass.
All right. Let's do one more person to win the. I think we're sponsored by FFF today. Right?
FFF, yep. FFF today.
Let's do. What do you want to pull somebody up, or you want to do it on the YouTube?
Let's pull somebody up. It's always more interesting. Just really quick high. Let's see. All right. Who do we got? Lady Kells. Looks like P2P player.
Lieutenant Pictures, yes. Open up a support ticket on the Discord. Ideally, probably do it on the Max Options Trading website, and we'll take care of you.
Hi, Lady Kells.
What's up?
How's it going?
Good. How you doing?
Good. It's been better days lately, so I can't complain.
Been better. So rough day today.
Initially, but I pulled myself back.
All right. That's awesome. Well, you got yourself. Delete that Juan. Juan, fuck you with the freaking avocados, bitch. All right. Enough of that. Anyway, enjoy your free FFF account. Freaking Juan and the avocados, right? He's going overboard. You got a free FFF account. Hopefully that helps you, get back in whatever, do whatever you got to do. Double up program. Don't blow that account in one day. Pass that baby, get a payout, get another one. Right?
Appreciate it. No, these days I've been taking it slow and steady, and it's been good. It's been good.
Awesome.
Appreciate
That's good to
it.
hear. All right. You enjoy the rest of your day and be safe out there, trade safe, and have fun. All right.
Appreciate it. You too.
All right. Peace out. Awesome. All right. We done?
Logan, if it makes you feel better, one of your new students just passed another eval. My students have been doing fucking amazing. Yeah. You guys as my students have been getting payouts, have been doing really well. Shit, I've been doing really well. this afternoon was just not one of those times.
There.
But it's all right. I'm not stressing
There
about
you
it.
go. It's one day.
Overall. With that being said, students, we have an AI class right after happy hour today. An AI class that has nothing to do with anything with Logan's strategies. I'm just going to teach you how to use AI to build your own fucking strategy, right? It's going to be cool. It's going to be a good class. You're going to learn how to build your own strategies, which I think is awesome. So we're going to do that, get that rocking and rolling, and I'm excited for that class because it has nothing to do with me. It's just me teaching you how to use AI. That'll be with students only my students, right after happy hour today. So around 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. All right, guys? With that being said, I'm happy you guys got to see me go on tilt. You guys, I was honest about it. I could have sat here, been quiet, not said a fucking thing. But I was like, you know what? I like to always try and be, everybody here at MOT, our goal is to be as transparent as fucking possible for you guys. This was hands down, actually, honestly, I think this is probably my worst power hour ever. My worst power hour ever. If you think about the in relation to it, I blew $7,000 on my pro account. $7,000 on my pro account cleaned, and then also $3,000 on my other funded. Right? So just letting you guys know, I am human. I'm honest about my fucking. I'll tell you guys if I'm making fucking bags, and I'll tell you guys if I'm cooking my shit and being a fucking idiot. It's part of the game, right? Fucking, if anybody tells you that you can't, there's no such thing as a losing day, there's no such thing as popping an account, there's no such thing as a red day, like, they're fucking full of shit. I'm fucking human. It is what it is. I'm human. I fucking have been on a hot streak, fucking dominating. It's gonna happen eventually. And the fact that it was only 2 funded accounts out of all of the ones that I have, I'm cool with it. They'll be funded again in a week or 2, and I'll be back at it to fill those in with the other spots. With that being said, thank you guys for your time. Students, I'll see you guys later tonight. That's all I got, Hobby. What do you got?
Yeah, same old guys. It was a great power hour. Obviously, for me, I mean, I hit my plays. We did have our fun Quantum Gang. Hopefully, you guys saw some of the easiest power hour plays you could have had. Just very nice level reactions. 2 great A++ setups, both on the 1 and the 2. And we caught some bangers. So outside of that, guys, make sure you guys check out our YouTube channels, right? Want to check out what we trade, right? Go check out YouTube channels. And PHP called out some great plays. I saw some of you guys on the PHP can killing it too. So you obviously know our indicators work with what we trade, right? Our normal strategies, what we work with and what we look for. So you guys already see what we're capable of. We have a bunch of successful students, a bunch of successful users of both of our indicators and MVG and range breaker, right? You see what Yuck is doing. Yuck is a fucking beast in everything that he touches. So you guys, go check those out. My YouTube channel has a couple videos on MVG, obviously Quantum, bunch of stuff on there as well. PHP on Logan's. Make sure you check out our Instagram, TikTok, X, all that fun stuff. Like, subscribe, tickle that bell, do all that fun stuff, guys. Make sure you tip the staff. Go check out the maxoptionstrading.com website. That's the place where you want to subscribe to get the indicators on both TradingView and wealth charts. And enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Trade safe, have fun. Tomorrow I will be having actually tomorrow and Saturday I will be doing a little site call with my students. So let's get ready for that. And that's it. And then Quantum Gang, I'll see you Sunday night again, like usual. So trade safe, not financial advice with JJ's. Peace out, everybody.
Everybody, Anarchy, kick it. If you guys are interested on doing anything, if you're trying to get that indicator for you one, maxoptionstrading.com. Go there. You can get everything you need is there. Later, everybody.
Later.
Do it 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, I be in the back road. Then it flipped on his head, that's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on a gurney. Out from the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, burden in my trip, turned into a gift. Starting all over, I was starting a trip. Took a little trip, turned into a brick. then I did again. Took a little tip, turned into a brick, then I did again. Took a little trip, one and shit, turned into a trip. We in and out quick. Let my head go, heat of my head go. Do a quick 5-10, turning up on both hands, that's dinero. Let my head go, heat of my head go. Do a quick 5-10, turning up on both hands, that's dinero. Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Poppy need a steak on the plate. A little wine, the white kind, the Sauvignon blind. New father, I'm doing my job. Can't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for me, it's for you. I'm focused, keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me, it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet. And you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt, but you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. Quantum shift, quantum doing shift, then I did it again. Quantum shift, quantum doing shift. We in and out quick. At my head door, heat of my eyes, do a quick 5-10, turning up on both hands, that's dinero. At my head door, heat of my eyes, do a quick 5-10, turning up on both hands, that's dinero. Heat of my heart,